So this is part 5 of the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun. And right now I'm using the goalpost or the Y-shaped head attachment. And if you need to contact me, that's my information that just popped up on the screen. So right here, the Y-shaped attachment is good for the neck cervical area, going in between the spine or the vertebrae, backbone. It gets congested. Those little multifidi or multifidus muscles, rotatory muscles that allows our spine to rotate, transverse processes, longissimus muscle, or any of the back grouping muscles, or the rectus spinae group muscles, rectus capitis, right where I'm working at right now, occipital ridge, C1 through C7, cervical area, after those accidents that you may have, whiplash and all that good stuff. And this is a nice gentle touch. If someone has had any type of injuries or soreness in the neck, upper back, mid back, and lower back, and even the sacral area. So that's what I'm doing right now, is going in between the spine. I am not going over the spine. So please don't leave any negative comments to me talking about, hey, you went over the spine, you shouldn't have did this, I'm gonna call the moral police, or I just want to complain. You know, yes, you can call the complaint police if you want to and feel better about yourself, but I'm doing God's work. I'm safe. Look at me. See how slow I'm going? Yeah. And she's enjoying it. So for all you physical therapists out there, for all those manual therapists out there, you have to use your hands get tired all the time. This is what you need, because working on people's backs, let me tell you, it's not like the model's back. This model is perfect. She's perfect. But you're going to have some abnormal, just like the Hulk or She-Hulk's going to come in there, Thanos, you know, all those abnormally large humans or aliens. And man, your thumbs and hands are going to get tired. You know, if you have like a Ronnie Coleman who comes in there, like, good grief, he was like 2 times the size of Arnold Schwarzenegger. And don't get me wrong, Arnold was big, but Ronnie Coleman, good God, that dude was big. Or Jake Cutler, those 2 dudes, man, good grief. You're gonna have to do some work, and that may take a couple days for them to come back, maybe 2 or 3 sessions out of the week. So for this, it does all the work for you. And let me let you listen to the massage gun. Take it. Okay. Can we go to level 2 or 3?
Oh, yeah, we can try level 2.
All right, level 3.
Sorry, no, it's okay. It's okay. I think it's just a teeny bit of the that side.
Okay, and as you can see in the video, I pretty much went close to her cervical area. When it gets up there, and if it's too fast, it can really get on you. So be careful. I didn't edit that out because I want you guys to know the realism of the clients and what they're experiencing. So you start off nice and slow and gentle, and then you go from there. So right now we are working with the bullet. Just like, in Mario Brothers, how that big ass bullet was coming around trying to, hurt you. Oh man, I apologize for cursing. I just noticed I did. Oh, Jesus Lord. But yeah, in Mario Brothers, the bullet was trying to get you, but this time it's the good bullet, and it gets right into the shoulder areas. You got neck pain, shoulder pain, scapular pain, throwing the football, baseball, softballs, cricket, or whatever this game that you may be playing, badminton, or even if you're just playing some spades. Hey, sometimes we get tension everywhere, because you know how people be cheating at the game and trying to throw down the deuce. They don't think the big joker can trump the ace. I'm like, no, it does. And then, hey, little joker, big joker, plus the the deuce of spades, that beats everything. But people be trying to fight, and they be lying. So you get tensed in the neck at those spades games. And before you get into some sort of altercation, maybe somebody can come behind you with the massage gun and work all that tension out of that neck. Oh yeah, stress is the mother of all F-ups. I try to tell you, it can mess up our body, it can mess up our lives. Get rid of that stress. All right. As you can see here, I'm also placing my hand, the back side of my hand, or pretty much the flat side of where my pinky is. I place it on the spine so the bullet does not touch the spine. Because let me tell you, if you go across the spine with one of these massage guns, any massage gun, it can jolt you out of the bed, or Jesus, I don't know why I said bed, the massage table. It will wake you up out of a dead sleep. You could be in a coma-like sleep, and as soon as that thing goes across your spine, oh yeah, it's like nightmare. And you don't want that. And I'm also, excuse me, Jesus, I think I just swallowed my gum. I'm working right here on the piriformis muscle, and you're gonna see in the other video how I do that with the legs as well. So I'm gonna sit down because I'm getting old. Look. And I will see you guys in the next video.